Namaste everyone. Welcome back to Healing Mandolin. Good evening and good morning. Welcome Madhu garu. Morning sir. We can't hear you Madhu garu. You are in mute.
నమస్తే రాజేష్ గారు, నమస్తే ప్రవీణ్ గారు.
Namaste. Once again, welcome to Healing Mandolin episode. We'll start with Voro Jopuchu Idi Nyayama. The Ragam Kannada Gola Aditalam Saint Sri Tyagaraja Swami.
బ్యూటిఫుల్ సార్. రాజేష్, that's amazing.
Thank you, sir. We would like to invite the musicians today. They are like legendary family each, and everybody has achieved so much, and then they come from a very great legendary family. Please welcome Uma Shankar ji, Uma Mahesh ji, and Swaminathan Selva Ganesh.
నమస్తే ఉమాశంకర్ జీ,
నమస్తే జీ. నమస్తే జీ.
నమస్తే మహేష్ జీ,
sir.
నమస్తే స్వామినాథన్ జీ.
నమస్తే జీ.
First of all, thank you all of you for coming, taking time, and then how everybody is busy doing online concerts, and each and everybody has their own uniqueness, style, and greatness. Madhuji, please carry on.
Definitely. First of all, I consider myself and today's viewers very fortunate to be in the presence of great legends at the same time. The planets, they say astrologically, are in their best positions, and we are doing so many pujas last week. So our we are very fortunate. All the grahas are in Raja Yoga because we are accompanied by Maharajas of music. You are legends, and you dedicated the way you dedicated your life to music. We are very honored. Being in presence and having blessings of Ma Saraswati being with you is a big healing in itself. Thank you, sir.
All
First of all, I want to
Mahaprabhu.
congratulate Swaminathanji, the youngest of all. Oh my God, he's so young. And he started like when he's 13 years old, accompanied his family. And then Ghatam Umashankarji, who has actually, from his father, legendary great Vikku Vinayak Guruji, Namaskaram, he inherited the great legend of Ghatam. And Ghatam is traditionally such a spiritual thing. It's called Kundalini Shakti. Not easy to master that. And it represents human life itself. I am fascinated by Ghatam. Simple, nice clay, but the Nadam comes out of it. We all come from the Panchabhutas, and we are making this sound and Nadam of Shiva. So, Nada Brahma, thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Maheshji, the time is even not enough to praise how legendary you are. You have crossed the boundaries of our Indian continent and Cirque du Soleil. Internationally, you have traveled. You sang in operas, you sang in westerns. You have touched the notes that are extremely great, and a part of remembrance of great Sri Maestro Mandin Srinivasji's event. Yesterday we were there, we heard you sing, and all your family members participate. We are very honored. Thank you, sir. So I think we aptly named it as Raga Malika. I spoke a lot because I better speak less now. Over to Rajesh, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, Madhu Garu. Maheshji, we will start with you. We want you to sing something, and then Uma Shankarji and Swaminathan can follow. People are waiting for you people to perform.
Sir, you are on mute, sir. Just
Ah.
check the sound, sir, once. Yes.
Uh,
Now we can hear, sir.
yeah, now can you hear me, Ji?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, me coming from the Chennai tradition, where I would like to present one of the Tevaram, Tamil Tevaram. பாதினைந்தூட்டும் தாயினும் சாலப்பருது நீயே பாதினைந்தூட்டும் தாயினும் சாலப்பருந்து நீ பாவிகேனுடைய ஊனினை உருக்கி பாதினைந்தூட்டும் தாயினும் சாலப்பருந்து நீ பாவிகேனுடைய ஊனினை உருக்கி உள்ளுளி வெறுக்கி உழப்பிலானந்தமாய தேனினை சொரிந்து புறம் புறம் திரிந்த என் செல்வமே சிவபெருமானே பால் நினைந்தூட்டும் தாயினும் சாதம் பரிந்து நீ பாவியேனுடைய ஊடினை உருக்கி உள்ளுளி பெருக்கி உடப்பிலானந்தமாய தேரினை சொரிந்து புறம் புறம் திரிந்த என் செல்வமே சிவபெருமானே யாருனை தொடர்ந்து யாருனை தொடர்ந்து 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 சிக்கன பிடித்தேன் எங்கெழுந்தருள்வதிரியே ஹரஹர சங்கர ஜெய ஜெய சங்கர ஹரஹர சங்கர ஜெய ஜெய சங்கர ஹரஹர சங்கர ஜெய ஜெய சங்கர ஹரஹர சங்கர ஜெய சங்கர. Thank you, Ji.
Thank you, Ji. It's as if we could travel to Tamil Nadu and be in one of the greatest temples like Brihadeswara temple and listen to your voice. It is so beautiful. Thank you, Ji.
Thank you so much. Rajesh ji, please kindly maaf kijiye. Sorry for the tuning because I
What?
could not hear the
Amazing, sir.
Tanpura. So I
What?
was just exploring. I did
Amazing.
not get set to the D scale. So later I was just trying.
No, no,
I
no.
will try to get
Later
to the D
we'll jam. Yeah.
scale. Sorry.
Umashankar sir.
Yeah, Namaskaram ji. I'm so happy to be actually this is my first live.
Wow,
So I'm
fantastic.
happy to be here.
Thank you, Umaji.
Sir,
for
this is
coming.
the beginning.
Yeah, that's my first beginning.
This is
in
the
this
beginning.
quarantine.
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
I'm so
Sir, by grace of God, please start with some divine vibration and rhythm from your sacred
Yeah.
Ghatam.
Sure,
Thank
sure,
you, sir.
sure. Siva, 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 Yenama, Yenama, Siva, Masiva, Yenama, Yenama, Nama, Siva, Yenama, Nama, Siva, Yenama, Siva, Yetam, Kita, Junota, Kita, Junota, Kita, Junota, Siva, Yenama, Yenama, Siva, Masiva, Yenama, Yenama, Nama, Siva, Yenama, Nama, Siva, Yenama, Siva, Yetam, Kita, Junota. Arundu Maria Manu Terindu Maria Manu Arundu Maria Manu Terindu Maria Manu Seida Sakala Kuttangalayu Avakalayu Hannitu Rakshu Kayattu Namakali Chayamni Ariyandu Nuru Kandaki Mahabiriyava Saranam Saranam Da Ti Nuru Kandaki Mahabiriyava Saranam 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 Da Ti Nuru Kandaki Mahabiriyava Saranam 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 Da.
Wow,
Bale.
sir.
Sabash.
So brilliant. Rajesh Garu, today is festival for us. We are celebrating so many
Yes.
variations of beautiful music in the one show. I am very honored. Ragamalika is the best. Thank you, Umashankar, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Umashankar ji. Swaminathan sir, please.
Ayo,
Murugan.
Anna. Yeah. First of all, I'm so happy and glad to be here, part of this wonderful, amazing series, Healing Mandolin. I've been watching a lot of episodes, and then it really gives me, like good feel, great vibe is there. I'm really happy to be part of it. Thank you so much, Madhuji, and thank you so much, Rajesh ji, and thanks to my uncles for being here. And it's very special, right? Having this interview with my uncles and with my family, I feel it's something complete. I'm really happy. So I'm gonna do a Shiva Tandav piece, which my grandfather taught me. என்னாடுடைய பெரியவ போற்றி எந்நாட்டவர்க்கும் இறைவா போற்றி சர்வஞா சர்வ வியாபி பெரியவ சரணம் மாய பிறப்பருக்கும் மகா பெரியவா அடி போற்றி மாய பிறப்பருக்கும் மகா பெரியவா அடி போற்றி மாய பிறப்பருக்கும் மகா பெரியவா அடி போற்றி జిదముదంజిదనికం జిద పదం జల జలంజలిత మంచు కటకం పతంజలి త్రిగంజన మనంజన మసంజల పతంజన పంజనకరం కదంబరు సిమం పరవశం పరమమం బుధగదం వగవిడం వగగలం చిదం బుధిమణిం బుధహృదం భుజరవిం పరసిద్ధం పరడనం హృది భజ
Beautiful. Wow.
Wow. Shabash, shabash. Mami, super. Three great artists today. We are really
Yes.
fortunate to have amazing. I mean, like, I would like to say something. I mean, the one strong bond which joins us is Mahapariva. We all grew up watching Mahapariva. In fact, Uma Shankar and Mahesh, we were staying in Kanchipuram for so many days when Mahapariva was there, and then we would like to share your experience and memories about Mahapariva and connections with our family, please.
Of course. Actually, I'm so happy to be say about with Rajesh ji and Anna, Srinivas Anna. I'm always playing with them. I'm so happy that every December season, December 22nd, I used to play in Indian Fine Arts with Srinivas ji Anna. I'm
December
so honored.
22nd.
22nd.
That's the
It's
starting of
always starting of
oh,
December season. I used to play with Anna. This is
beautiful.
actually every year I can notice this date only for Anna. So
Good.
I never forgot that date in my lifetime. Actually, always I play with. This is very honor when I'm playing with Anna. He always says, "Sabash, can play." So it's totally different. I'm so
Beautiful, sir.
happy to be.
Very significant day.
Yeah, of course. And then I'll travel with Anna, Shinoji Anna, and I'll travel it a lot of time. When I travel with US, actually US too, I see how he is practicing with mandolin, how you have to enjoy the instrument and play. And only you can see with Anna, Srinivas Anna. Always with mandolin, always with mandolin. Without mandolin, he can't sit.
It's
He
part of him.
speaks also, yeah, part of. He speaks,
Part of him.
namaskaram, yeah, tell me, sir. Yeah, so, but he always playing. So, how
Ah,
much he love the instrument, everybody has to know. You have to see that. Because no one can do like this. In music field, I never seen practice like Shanna and how much he likes instrument. And then he comes to Kanchipuram always. Whenever we go abroad, he comes to Kanchipuram and stay, come and madam, Kanchi madam and pray. And then only they will go. Any country, any out of country he goes, first of all he comes to Kanchipuram and just pray and then only go. So this all thing we have to learn from Anna. Really, I tell you from the heart I'm saying, it's we have to learn from him. That's all.
especially,
I
especially
never
the
forgot.
humbleness and divinity. Sir,
Yeah,
yesterday I was seeing a video of him, very younger days, and every video of him we see, it's like,
yeah,
is he real? Are we seeing some Swami Ayyappa or Shanmukha? That kind of glow, my
absolutely
goodness,
true.
feels very healed. When we are sad, if we see him performing, that
Absolutely.
immediately you feel good.
This is true. This
This
is true.
is so divine.
This is divine because we can see few of them only got from him, like
Divine.
my dad and him. It's all like living gods, living gods.
Absolutely, sir.
We can't see the God actually. We can see from him. We can
Absolutely.
see the God from him, from the mandolin, from the katam. So really, it's all we have to learn.
Yes,
Which
sir.
are the things we have to learn from the great legends. Legends.
Absolutely.
Sure,
Thank you so much.
absolutely.
Thank you, Umashankar
Ra-
ji. Thank you so
Tell me,
much.
sir.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Mahesh ji, I know you had so many titles, awards, travels, but I think one of the best thing I know is you are the person who sang Perivala Pathakite Irukku Thonadu. Remember that song? I think most fortunate to have been sung that song. Few lines of that will be
Please,
blessings for
I will
us.
definitely. Can we have a little Tanpura so that I understand the Shruti? Thank you so much. You really helped me. தென்னாடுடைய பெரியவா போற்றி எந்நாட்டவர்க்கும் இறைவா போற்றி சர்வவியாபி இறைவா சரணம் மகாபிரியவான் அடி போற்றி பார்த்துக்கிட்டே இருக்க தோணுது பெரியவாளை பார்த்துக்கிட்டே இருக்க தோணுது பார்த்துக்கிட்டே இருக்க தோணுது பெரியவா மனமும் மறுக்குது பெரிய வாளை பார்த்துக்கிட்டே இருக்க தோணுது ஹர 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 சங்கரா ஜெய 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 சங்கரா ஹர 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 சங்கரா சங்கரா
Very nice, sir.
Thank you, sir. This
Thank
this
you, sir.
song
Thank
is
you, thank you.
completely in praise
Yes,
of
sir.
Mahadeva, and it has 50 shlokas, gadyams. On
Mhm.
this Tamil gadyam, this
Sir, we can't hear you, Maheshji. We can't hear you.
oh
We
okay.
can't hear.
Mike is
Mike, you on the level?
Now we can hear.
Now you can hear.
Now we can.
Yeah. The concept and the theme and significance of this composition. Firstly, I would like to let you know that this composition is done by Agatyampalli Krishnamurti, which is brother of our Guru Brahmashri Pradosham Mama, who we call it as 64வது Nayanmar, 64th Nayanmar, as
Oh.
said by Sri Mahaperiva, completely 3 times. As we all know that Mahaperiva is the descent of
Sakshat
Adi
Shiva.
Shankara, and 3 times he had this Atma Shakti darshan of Mahaperiva as Adi Shankara. So that's why because we don't have any references, it's just because of Pradosha Mama that we are able to connect. So whatever, with the Guru's Anugraha, you can go heights. This is the complete reason and the link that we all are in the limelight just because of the grace of Guru.
Beautiful,
So
sir.
we just don't know anything. We follow the same footstep of Anna, Srinivas Anna, how we were just following. So this, I have to really say that this composition is very special, where Periva has graced this thrice. 3 times I have sung in front of Mahaperiva. So this composition starts with the Parthikitte Irukathonudu, Vishwarupa Darishanam Kana. So when Periva comes on the Vishwarupam, it's like almost like 4:30 we go there, and then the first darshan will start at 5 o'clock. Then he takes to the one hour, ஒரு மணி நேர ஜபம். He goes to the kutil. It's like a small wooden box where he goes there, and he does all the, so it's a journey. It starts from there. Then he goes to the puja. Then afternoon he comes back. So Periva, whatever Periva does on one day, is this compilation. So I really thank Rajesh ji for getting this
Wow.
particular.
I still remember it's a close to my heart song. Very famous. In fact, he has sung when he was very young.
Hmm. Wow.
True.
We
Very
still
true.
remember me and Mahesh stayed there in Matam next to Periva for a couple of days.
And also something to let you know that we are very close friends of Balapiriva.
Yes, even now.
It's a
So
it's a
nice.
grace that we always, like, it was almost 18 years, I could say, when the darshan happens. We get the darshan and then we go there. Periva used to ask about music and the reference of all the things, and then we stay there and we get to know, and then we come back. It was such a nostalgic and blessing moments those time. And also what I would wanted to what I admire about Srinivas Anna is about his bhakti. Not only he's a role model for music, but also for a lifestyle where one can connect himself. The purpose of life we saw just having a darshan with Mahaperiva. I could find my purpose of my life, and the reason why this particular you guys there, that's been there with Brahmagyani. Pradosha Mama showed us the way. So with seeing the footsteps of that, Srinivas ji gave us a very, very limelight. And even starting from going to the music concert and speaking, that I learned from Anna, because he's one of the one who really started addressing people with Namaskaram sir, Namaste sir, Namaste ji. This concept I really learned only with Anna. I have had personal concept with traveling with Anna with my father. Almost for all the weekends we go for Kalyana Kacheris, which is called like a wedding concert. So I used to put the talam, and I have been there in such a moment where, like, and then both and also I have seen both Rajesh ji also playing with that, and I have had opportunities to travel extensively. So it's been a blessing moment.
Oh my God. literally, we had opportunity to really travel with you, sir. I have one question. So, sir, Rajesh sir is there, great Rajesh sir is there, Mahesh ji, Uma Shankar ji, Selvagan, Shri son, Sir Swaminathan ji is there. Sir, we are learning music, like we are at alphabets. Is there some simple mantra that you tell us, our prayer we do? So at least overnight we become some 1,000th of what you all do. What
Yeah,
your parents
Sir,
taught you? What
I
is the
am searching.
secret mantra?
Sir, I am
yeah.
searching for that mantra past 35 years, sir. If there is a mantra, you can become overnight star or overnight musician.
Sir, cannot learn, sir. How many times we play Jantaswara Alankara, Jantaswara Alankara? Fifth time we forgetting, sir. What to do?
But I
Sir.
could say that, I mean, music is the best way to connect yourself of, I mean, yoga is all about not only about the pose but about the frequency. So
Correct.
as you must be knowing more, and this is the part which musically I can say that left brain is connected with the survival and mathematics, right is connected with the heart chakra. So how much ever we learn, if you have the quality of surrender, then you put the ego down, where your bhakti comes there, which is connected to heart chakra. So that's why we try to achieve that with the nada, with Shruti Laya and the Shruti and Laya. Shruti Mata, Laya Pita. So the both Kanashar and also the yin yang. So if you have any mantra, just be within yourself. Let you start with Om Namah Shivaya, whatever it is. You just connect within yourself. By that, I think it just goes inside.
Beautiful. Sir, you have touched Anahata Heart Chakra already. Please tell us more about. Looks like few more words about Anahata Chakra and sadhana, yoga. Or through meditation, do you play music and you connect to divine? How do you do that, sir? In your prayers.
Not only in the prayers but also to connect within ourselves, wherever it's a meditation is not, you don't do anything, it is already happening. It is just that we are aware that the meditation is happening. So there are so much world techniques, but the simple way, nada brahma, as you said, the nada, you watch the prana, the life energy, just be there to watch the prana, how is it going, and from there, when the question happens, it takes you jnana pasi. When you have that urge to learn, then it takes you so much.
Beautiful, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you. Uma Shankar ji, please, so beautiful. Rajesh sir, please go ahead, sir.
No, I mean, like, the greatest thing today, especially today's episode, is we have three generations. Like,
Right?
all three generations played with all of us. I mean, like, Swaminathan comes as a third generation, and he has also played with all the artists. I mean, all the generations. Please, Swaminathan, a little bit your journey and your experience. It'll be nice.
Thank you. Now, I mean, like born in this family itself, like like very proud moment for me. Like people, like when like since my childhood, I've been hearing music all over my house. Like if I go one room, my first uncle will be doing something, he will be teaching. My second uncle will be teaching other. My dad will be doing something else, and my tata will be doing something. So it's like always I was living with the music. So I feel very special to be born in this family. So the journey, like my grandfather, he didn't force me to get into music. Like he's my guru, so he didn't force me to get into music. What he did is like he grabbed me and then took me with him to his class and made me to watch him teaching, trying to create the interest in me instead of like like forcing me or just teaching me. He created the interest in me first, and then he started teaching me, and I was like not very serious at my initial stage of learning. So suddenly one day, like one of the parent came, and then they were like student's parent. She came and she was like, "What are you doing here? I just see you come here, you just play around and then just go. Okay, what are you doing? Why are you not learning anything?" I was like, "No, I'm grandson of Vikuji." She was like, "Oh, you're really grandson of Vikuji and you're not showing any interest in music? Oh, that's shocking." I was like, "Oh, okay." So that time I understood that the responsibility I have to, have the responsibility to carry on
Inheritance.
the legacy. So I was like,
Correct.
okay, started learning, instrument. I went to my tata and I was like, okay, teach me like seriously. I want to learn very seriously. He's like, okay, good. I'm happy to hear that. And then I started learning mridangam. Mridangam was my initial instrument. I started learning mridangam, and then it was a little difficult for me. And then later I saw Kanjira. I took the instrument Kanjira and I started playing it. And then I felt like, okay, wow, this sounds very easy. So my thinking process was like, okay, so for Mridangam you need two hands to play. For Kanjira, just one hand. You can just use one hand and you can, like, it's go easy. I
Save
thought it like
energy.
save energy. So I went and asked my grandfather, like, okay, Tata, I want to learn Kanjira. He asked me, why do you want to change to Kanjira? I said, no, I saw my dad performance. I want to become like him. I was just lying because if I say it is easy, he wouldn't have accepted that. So he is like, oh, you watch your father and you want to learn Kanjira, but you didn't watch me and want to learn Gatam. He asked me. I was like, no, Gatam is very difficult for me. I'll go with Kanjira. I was like, okay, fine. He started teaching me, and later in the process, I had a different perspective that whatever people do with two hands in mridangam or any other instrument, we have to do it in the single hand. So the manpower is less, but like the
It
amount
is
of
more.
to produce is more. I was like, oh, I was in a wrong perspective. But at that point of time, I already in love with my instrument. So that's how my journey started. And then because of my grandfather, whatever I'm here, because he takes me everywhere to all his concerts, he make me sit with him, and then like the learning process was more on stage than off stage.
I
He
think
taught
at
me
13 years old, you were on the stage with him and you performed. By
Yeah, yeah.
13 already you're there. Yeah. Mm.
So it's like I always felt comfortable whenever he's around, that initial stage. There may be like so many people in the audience. It all fades out. Just him. Because of him, everything happens. Like yeah, I feel very comfort, and then this learning process keep continuing on stage and off stage as well. It's a like very beautiful experience with him. Traveling with him, being with him is a beautiful experience, and he give me like a lot of freedom. He's like he never like restrict me to anything, and then whatever he has, if I ask him, he will definitely give it to me immediately. So that bonding, I'm really glad and thankful to Periva for like making me to born in this family. Because of this family, I had a connection with different people like Srinivas Ji Anna and Rajesh Anna. That is really amazing bonding. Because of this family, I got that family. So it's like we all are one family. All musicians are
Extended
one
family.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Uh,
family.
Swaminathan ji, your dad came last time and he made us get addicted to something, like he created the effects of train track. He also took us into Shiva Damarukam. Now we are like addicted to this kind of fascinating effects out of Kanjira. So I don't know what would you like to give us, keeping the tradition?
Okay. So, like be watching my dad, he's playing, and then I created something of my own kind of effect like that. So the sound of helicopter, like the
Wow.
chopper, sound of the chopper. So just imagine the chopper is flying from somewhere and then just going above you and then crossing you. So that kind of a sound effect, I'm gonna try it.
Oh my God. Oh my
Bole
God.
bole.
Thank you. Now, I can also try one more sound of like how the horse goes, like the steps of horse. Like we can see rhythm everywhere. That is the basic idea behind it. So the horse rides.
We don't want the horse to
That's
stop. So good.
Oh,
Oh my
thank
God.
you.
rocking. I mean, like, imagine, I mean, such a young age, he's
Right, sir?
working on concepts. Amazing,
Yes, sir.
amazing. And then one thing we should learn that from their family,
Sir.
uh, each and everybody wants their son to be an engineer, doctor, but this family, everybody's with passion following the tradition and the culture and the music. I mean, that needs a lot of dedication. I mean, hats off to you,
Confidence too.
family, because you've been such an inspiration to a lot of people. Because see, from Uma Shankar to Uma Mahesh to Swaminathan, such a young boy who who wants to pursue and create, be creative. It's such a great thing, especially in Indian culture, Indian music, especially the instrument he plays is very, very rare.
Yes.
I think very few people are there to. Thank you, Swaminathan. Thank you.
As
Madhurji, you were
Swaminathan
Rajesh
ji.
asking
said,
something,
yeah,
Umashankarji. Sorry, I was
as
Yes.
as Rajesh said, I'm so happy to be, because I in my family I'm only taking Appa's instrument, because Makesh ji taken a vocal, Selvaji
Yeah.
has taken a Genjira, and then the same thing I learned from my dad only, because
Perfect.
my Selva learned from my Chittappa and then my dad, and Mahesh is totally different from singing. He learned from MS Bani.
Radhaji.
Dadaji. So
Yes.
I'm very happy to say I'm only the person taken my dad instrument. Always I'm say I'm a very lucky person in my house. Of course they also lucky, so I taken as a his instrument. So
But there is
Umashankar sir.
a small story related to that. Maybe if you want, I
Ah.
can tell you.
please,
Yeah,
please, please, please.
please.
Yeah, it was because of the Brahmagyani, our great legacy, Tata, our Tata, who's the core of our Tetagudi tradition, who's the first generation who started our music, Brahmashri T.R. Arihara Sharma. He's a Brahmagyani. He could perceive things and he had a long vision. He wanted to take the instrument Ghatam into the limelight, so that's why he visioned my father as a Ghatam artist. The same way, he doesn't harm anybody and he doesn't say that any negativity. So whomever he comes, he gives positivity. For example, if somebody comes to learn Ghatam, he would say that, oh wow, you have a good fingers, why don't you learn Mridangam? If somebody comes to learn Mridangam, he won't say that you can't learn Mridangam. He would suggest you, rather say that your fingers are very beautiful to Ghatam, why don't you learn Ghatam? So the same way, he said that elder brother had a longer and thick fingers. Yes, Selvaji has a thick fingers. So he said, you better take Kanjira for the reason that there are two great masters which are there. So if you need to be a Mridangam Vidwan, it really takes a decade to pass. So if you take Kanjira, you can immediately come back so that you can take the lime and also you can be on there and you can travel with your father. That happened.
Beautiful.
The next Uma Anna, he said that somebody has to take the legacy of the Ghatam, which is the Paramparya and Parampara. So he said, you better take the Parampara so that the Ghatam Parampara will be continued. And the same thing he said that we are missing the Shruti. So we don't have melody in our home. So you're already inclined in Pata, which is vocal. So he said, you better take vocal. And as you know that piano is a percussive instrument, but
Correct.
its extempo is melodic expression. So
Yeah.
I take the rhythm inside and I just explain that in melodic expression. So that's
Sure.
the secret. And also he said, my sister to learn vocal and start teaching. So we always forget Sangeeta. So we in the during the interview we will say that we are three brothers and a sister. So elder is Selvaji who has taken Kanjira. After the next is Uma Anna. Anna has taken the Ghatam. I have taken the vocal as my, but still the Laya Jain and genetic is inside. And my sister Sangeeta who is also singing along with us. So my Tata initiated me. And he also said one more thing to my mom said, ரொம்ப ஜாக்கிரதையா வளரு இந்த குழந்தைய கொஞ்சம் ஜாக்கிரதையா பார்த்துக்கோ கொஞ்சம் அன்பு கொடுக்காட்டி அவன் வந்து he'll go to drugs. He said that. But if you do it on positive way, he'll become a yogi. So that was his vision. And the later years, I found myself doing the research. Then I found that I naturally taken this morsing and I started playing. And to create the Vasi Yoga, which is the cyclic breathing of taking the Kumbhaka and all the other
Rechaka.
technical. Yeah, so to go inside from that, Vasi gives you a beautiful way of give that. So I came with a small concept called Mukha Shruti Laya Vadhya Vinyasam. The possibilities of the face and the air, which is like Mukha Shruti, is the Nisadi Gamagari Sani the Madanisa. That's Shruti. Laya Stakatipi, Tarakatakatakatipi, 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 Tarakataka. And then Vadhyam, I incorporated more sing. So I'll just give you a small demo. Da ni sa ri ga ma ga ri sa ri da ba da ni sa ni da ma da ni sa ta ta ka din na ta ka ti pi ta ri ga ta ka ta ka ti pi ta ri ga ta ka ta ka ti pi ta ki ta 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 ka din na tam ta ta ka din na tam ta din din na tam ta ri ga ta ka ta. So in this yoga technique, you can feel that both of the up and coming breathing comes to oneness. The same on the melody and also on the rhythm. Thank you.
Oh my
Beautiful,
God.
beautiful, Mahesh ji. And
Thank you.
in fact, Umashankar also is very good at Konakol and Ghatam. He does.
Please,
All
sir.
God, God's blessings.
People want to listen, sir. Ghatam, please.
Yeah, yeah,
Sir, enlighten us, sir.
yeah. Takita tikita tunga tatun titunga. Adatun kita tak tarik kita tak tum titunga. Tom kita tak tarik kita tak tam kita tak tarik kita tak tam kita tak tam kita tak ding kita tak kita kalang kita kalang datik kita tam datik kita ding di datik kita tunga tatun titunga. Tatun kita tum titunga. Tom kita tarik kita tum
Oh my God.
Bale,
Bale, bale.
Shabash.
Sir, many incarnations of God's gift, sir. We are very blessed. Oh my God.
God and my father's
sir.
blessings
Thank you, sir.
always.
Super Swami.
Yeah, Swami, please do some solo.
Wow.
Baba. Sabah.
Shabash, shabash. I mean, it is so inspiring. It's tempting to start to play, but in fact, unfortunately,
Lag.
with the lag,
Yeah, absolutely.
Tommy and we all did a song called Inner Child. I'll start, and let's try a trade with the delay.
Yeah.
We'll give a gap and let's try.
Yeah,
Try
yeah,
to
yeah.
let's see,
Please,
yeah.
please.
Okay. We'll have to set the order. First, I'll play the song, then stop and play a little trade. Then Uma, then Maheshi, then Swami, and then Ravi, and then again. Just see how it works.
Sani bani da gaba magariza, sani bani da gaba magariza, sani bani da gaba magariza, sa ti ka.
Takita 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 dum takita 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 takita.
Sani da sani da sani da sani da sani da sani da ba magari papa magari sani da ko da sa ti ka. Sa re ga da da ga da 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 ni magariza, de ga da ni magariza, ya de ga.
Shabas, Shabas, thank you.
Beautiful,
So
Rajesh
excellent and
ji.
so tempting to play.
Sir,
Madhuji, over to you.
it's an amazing, blissful moments we have. We never want this to, we want this to continue. We want to thank all the viewers. And today we have like special viewers like Rajesh Vaidyaji himself watching. Thank you, Rajesh
Yeah.
Vaidyaji.
Namaste.
He's
What an
also our
honor.
extended family.
Online.
I could say.
And Selvaji was also there.
Yes,
Wow,
Selvaji is
amazing.
there.
Sounds great.
Many great musicians are there. Anilji is there. So thank you all for watching. Sir, I want to share something very simple, beautiful thing. Maheshji's conversation has ignited and the Kanjira and the Ghatam. Nature itself in spiritual principle operates on a basic thing called Rutambara. Rutambara is the root word for rhythm. Rutu is the seasons. So there is periodicity. With the Talam and Laya, all of you have really captured the essence of the pulses of nature. That's why maybe it's a design. Even Shiva Damarukam looks like an hourglass. The time hourglass also looks like Damarukam, the Kala, the time itself. So using that in astrology, there is a science called Shakuna Shastra. Shakuna Shastra works on the same principles as Laya and Kriya. In Laya and Kriya, there is an indication of Talam. There is a hint that the time has ended, how the time is sliced. Likewise, in Shakunam, nature is giving a hint that the beat is changing to next beat. That is Shakuna Shastram. So, if I'm stepping out of the house and I'm going for a good work, some good work I want to go, somebody is bringing flowers, a girl is bringing flowers or some milk, something they're taking. Oh my God, very good Shakunam. Our ancestors said, and Shastram, we go for that. Somebody bringing oil, no, we better stay oil is Shani, we just hold on. But if you are going for an engineering work or interview for engineering, it is Shani, and having oil is very good. A lot of people don't know. There's nothing called good omen and bad omen. Nature is only indicating what you are going with. Let's say you are going to fight in a court, then naturally Mars is activated, and somebody wearing a red color shirt will be going in front of you. So that's an omen. I took that, and every small thing I started experimenting. Is the Rutambara rhythm true for even the smallest thing? Somebody came from astrological reading. The lady asked a question, tell me something about myself. I said, today afternoon, you spoke to a person whose name is Shiva. And you both talked about music, and the color of it's a CD, and color of the CD is blue. She was shocked. I said, how do you know? Because she's wearing a pendant, a blue color pendant. She took the pendant while asking the question, touched the throat. Swarapetika is source of sound. So they should have talked about music. The color of the pendant is blue, so it should be in the afternoon. Blue and Kantha is Neelakantha. So the person she talked to is Neelakantha Shiva's name, Shankar. And he must be working in medical field because Neelakantha is like medicines you are taking. That's Rahu. And because the pendant is circular, it should be CD. If it's rectangle, it could be cassette. So it is rectangular, so it should be CD. And coincidentally, she said that the CD itself is blues collection.
Oh.
Like, I saw so many things. The whole nature is rhythm. Nature, Bhagavan, Mahavishnu, you call, or Shiva, you call, whatever name you call. There is a continuous rhythm and laya in this universe. And absorbing that laya is the blessing of nature. I just felt like sharing. Thank you so much.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you for sharing it.
Amazing. And in fact, people are asking if we can have a second part of this episode. They're so loving it.
Yes.
All because of all the great artists, Madhugaru. And a lot of known people, Rajesh Vaidyaji, Shankar Narayan sir. A lot of people, known people are there. We started with Mahapariva. We want you to end this episode with something on Mahapariva, and we'll end this episode. What do you say, Madhugaru?
Yes, sir. Absolutely. It's a blessing, sir.
Because we
blessed.
are all what we are because here is because of Mahapariva.
Absolutely.
What we'll do is I'll play one line of Chandrasekhara and you sing, and then they can take it to
At least
something,
we can
and
do
then we'll
something.
end.
Yeah.
And also, I really wanted to thank Rajesh sir for getting this done. Though we are on the different Kala Chakram and also and different, I think he was one who tried to unite and took the initiative. It was just instant and spontaneous, and I have been admiring the healing mandolin, and also it's a people inspire people, and then what initiative he has taken, and then taking his Anna's legacy. So I really thank Rajesh ji for giving us an opportunity,
Thank you,
and
all
I
of
will
you,
also
for
thank
coming and
Praveen sir for joining us and giving this rhythm support with us, and I really thank them. And as you say, Rajesh ji, please go for one, and then we will try to bring it up. Shekara Chandrashekara Isha 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 Sundareshwara Isha 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 Chandrashekara Isha Isha Sundareshwara Gaurisha Sinchadadara
Kare Indira ye Pada Namaste 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 Takitatum
Tum, tum,
Takitatum Takitatum.
Amazing, sir.
Thank you all. No words to thank you, Mahesh ji, Umashankar ji, and Swaminathan ji. Thank you, and Madhu ji. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Have a wonderful year ahead, and we pray that this Corona thing will end soon, and we'll all be out of it. Thank you all, sir. Thank you all the audience and all the
thank you
friends
so
who
much,
come and
Rajesh.
support
Thank
this
you so much, Madhu
show.
ji.
Thank you very much.
Thank
Namaskar.
you, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Umashankar
Namaste,
ji,
namaste, namaste.
Mahesh ji, Swaminathan ji, best wishes.
Thank you
Special
so
thanks to Nandu Garu for technically really
Yes, we have
helping
to
us.
especially thank him,
Thanks to
Nandu
Nandu.
Garu, being
Yeah.
technical support behind,
Perfect.
and then make this all the shows go without any problem. Nandu Garu, thank you, and thank you, Praveen. Namaskar.
Praveen Garu, hero of the show. Thank you, Praveen Garu. Namaste.